stop the SAP system. SAP control is an inbuilt tool with SAP system. We can use SAP control to start and stop the SAP system. We don't require any third-party solution like uh, SAP MMC or SAP Management Console or Solution Manager. We can use inbuilt tool SAP control. So to use SAP control, you have to log in with SID ADM. You have to log in with SID ADM user ID, and then you can type SAP control -H. It will give you the help option. You want to call this program, you have to type like this: SAP control -PROT protocol user ID password for another instance if you want to start the other instance. So let me show you how to work with this tool, and then okay, so we can call any putty tool to connect to the server. Because these are the Linux server, we can use putty command. Putty or MobaXterm also can be used. So suppose I want to S4P host. Login is S4P ADM, password secret 2023. Able to log in. Now we can use SAP control. SAP control -H. It will show me the all help option related to SAP control. Okay, now I want to see the information about.
I use -H and the -NR.
Yes, so -H to help option, and then to stop the SAP system we have to use like this. To stop the SAP system we have to use this option SAP control -NR instance number. So instance number is 30 in case of production system. In case of quality system it is 20. Then minus function. Okay, so right now before stopping the function I want to see the uh, I want to check the status, so I can get the instance list. So we have lot of functions are there. So what are the functions? We can just, I can open this help option. You are having, these are the functions. You can start, instance start, bootstrap, stop. You have the get alerts. You can get the instance list. These are the different web functions that can be used. So get system instance list. Get system instance list. So I will going to use this option. Before starting and stopping I want to check what is the current status. So SAP control -NR 30 function is get system. You have to remember that every word first letter is capital. Get G capital, system S capital, then instance I capital, then list L capital. Okay. Get system, spelling mistake, spelling mistake. So in here we have to be very careful. Instance. Okay, so when I type here, it shows me I am having three instances: 30, 31, 32. 30, 31, 32. Are you able to see the color? Color, it is showing gray, gray, gray. It means everything is stopped. Everything is stopped. Okay, so before starting any SAP application, we have to make sure that database must be running. So let me check here. HAP. HAP database is stopped. I am going to start this database. Because without start of the database, if I am trying to start the application will not be able to start, and there we will be able to find lot of problem. We will not be able to solve the problem because this is not the sequence. The database must be started first, then application. If database is not started, you are trying to application, the application never will be successfully up. So now I'm trying to start the database. When the database is green and up, then I will start the through SAP control. I can start the HANA database using SAP control also, but uh, we have to log in at the OS level of that one, and then we can start. After that, you want to start the SAP system, then we have to stop. The function name is start system. With the start system, start start system will start the application. Okay, so here we can see the status, and then we can uh, check in the SAP MC or through SAP control.
Sorry, Sanjay, the question here related to
Mhm.
the application server.
Mhm.
When you start your operating system, there are auto start for the database server.
Yes.
Is there the same function exist for the application server?
Yes.
Well, it should run manually. Can we
It.
put some parameter?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
We can put parameter to automatically start the SAP system. We can
For
automatic. Yeah.
the database, it's okay. It can be start auto for application server.
Yes.
My question is related to the application server.
Application server can also be started automatically. So that's why we have seen in the previous slide, uh, yeah, here. Whenever you are going to start the operating system boot, it is going to read the initialization script, SAP initialization script. In this script, it can also start the SAP system. This black color, it can start the SAP start SRV. So at operating system, if restarted, it can also start the SAP system. In the initialization script, you have to mention those things, that it is going to start the, you have to enable that feature. After enabling that feature, if your data operating system started, immediately the application will also get started.
Which tools can help us edit this SAP initial start?
This is
Is it
initialization script. It is the initialization script, so we have to like check at.
the file? Huh? It is the
It is a,
text file or
yeah, yeah,
notepad file.
it is in the Linux operating system. In the Linux operating system, these are the scripts. These scripts are like, we can edit these scripts in the VI editor. VI editor is
The
a,
file you edit in the morning. Yeah.
yes, in the morning we have edited some other file, but same way we can edit the initialization script also. In this initialization script, we can make those parameters. You want to know the parameter, we will see in the next lesson. Our next lesson is like about those parameters only.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to see if we want to like mention those things. Okay, so right now our HANA database is up, HAPA is up now, but our S4P is down. I want to start the S4P system. I can use SAP control minus NR function start system. When I click this one, it will try to start the application. So in this way we can